into it. Let's start off with AUDJPY daily charts. This is going to be clean chart. Okay, let me get my objects on the chart. So AUDJPY at the moment on the daily chart, you can see that it's kind of ranging. So I'll be looking at this order block here, shapes. Okay, from the upside I would say this one. And remember guys, this is just daily charts. Okay, so I will be looking at the market in the next coming week. If it comes down and give us an opportunity to go long, I will be entering here, and if it goes up and then come into this area here, then we'll see how it plays out. Maybe it might reverse or it might continue going up. Also, I would like to have this other area here that I can look at. This order block right here seems to be valid, but we'll just have to wait and see how the market plays. So for AUD, that's pretty much what I'm looking at for this coming week. I have these three areas that I'm looking at. So at the moment it's unclear to me. I cannot make a prediction on where this pair is going because it's kind of like choppy, but I have these three areas here, so I'll just have to wait for the market to play out and then I'll pull my trigger. But I suspect that this choppiness might continue to happen since we are nearly done with this quarter. Okay, let's move on to AUDUSD. AUDUSD, I already see the order block right about there. So that's the area I'm looking for. And also I have another area that I can use for short term. That's where the market is currently at. So I'll be watching this area here. Maybe price can reverse here, or it can just go up, break this highs, test that order block there, then finally sell off. So for the sell, that's pretty much the areas that I'm looking for. Those are my area of interest. And for the buy side, I have this order block that I can use, and also I have that one. So for AUD, this is what I'm looking for this coming week. So I don't want to make a prediction of, oh, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. So I'm just gonna wait for the market to play out and take a trade if an opportunity presents itself. But at the moment, this is what I'm looking for. But I don't think this might reverse. I think it might go up a little bit and then finally reverse it and take out this highs and use this order block as some sort of reversal area. So we will see. Just have to wait and see what the market decides to give us. USDT daily charts. Okay, what do we have here? This one. Okay, start my analysis. This one is gonna be very tricky. It's going to be very tricky. So I can just use this candle right over there, and yeah, I'll just have to wait and see. Maybe this, but I don't really like to trade breakouts, but it looks like it broke that order block. Let's see if it broke that high over there. Broke the order block and the high, so we'll just have to wait and see. Maybe it can use this as some sort of a retest and then continue going up. But if it does present a signal to go short, it will be a perfect sell, in my opinion. I think up until next year January. So we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, let me just see if I can find something for the buy. Okay, I have this order block right there, and what else do I have? Maybe this one, and what else? I think this one. So yeah, that's USDT for you guys. USDT and NASDAQ 100, my favorite. NASDAQ 100. What are you trying to do, my guy? Okay, let's see. Okay, I have this one right there. MetaTrader. Okay, yeah, this should do. Okay, I have that order block right there, and another one right about there, which the market kind of like why is this thing doing this too? Okay. The market kind of like retested and then retest here, so I'm thinking maybe it might go down, since it kind of like gave us very strong signs of rejection in that order block. So for NASDAQ 100, I might have to switch into lower time frames and see if I can go short. And yeah, for buy, I think this is what I'll be looking as well. And this one right there. Yeah, I think for NASDAQ that's pretty much it. And again, the reason why I'm saying it might continue to go down is that it has to fill out this fair value gap that's been left by I think it was CPI. Yeah, I think it was CPI. So yeah, that's the areas I'm looking for in this coming week on NASDAQ 100. Okay, let's move on to gold. Goldy. Okay, I have this order block right there. I have this one, and what else do I have? This is pretty much long term. I don't think the market can reach this order block in the coming week. So again, can use this one. and I think this one as well. Yeah, that's what we're looking for in gold for this coming week, starting on the 28th of November. So that's pretty much what we're looking for in gold. This one, USDs. What do we have? This one I'm just gonna skip it because I don't really trade it. Even this one, USD MXN, let me just skip it and come into GBPUSD. What do we have here? Okay, see that one right there, which I think it will never get to, especially in the coming week. It's pretty far. Okay, I have that one there. Another one right about there. What else do I have? Okay, I might use this one right there. And for the buy side, let me see. Got one, two, three, yeah, that's pretty much it for GBPUSD. Yeah guys, that's my analysis for this coming week on GBP and other pairs that I just showed. So let's just take a quick recap. AUDJPY, this is what we're looking for. 1, 2, 3 areas. So we'll be looking at this one. If the market give us a selling opportunity, we're gonna enter, and if not, we're just gonna let it go. On the opposite side, if it comes to that order block right there, we will be looking for buys, and just like with the sells, if an opportunity presents itself, we buy. So AUDUSD. Okay, we'll just have to wait and see on Monday. What happens. But I think this might break this high and then finally sell at that order block. But yeah, we'll see. So AUDUSD, we have these 4 order blocks that we will be looking at this coming week. USDT, like I said, we will be watching it as well. Maybe this might be a false breakout and then market comes down immediately, or come down, retest, and then continue to go up. It's not clear yet, but we'll just have to wait and see. NASDAQ, like I said, I might look for shorting opportunities because of this fair value gap that's been left by CPI. So yeah, we're gonna be looking at this fair value gap. It might sell off right away, or it might go up again and then trigger another block and then finally sell. Gold, we have this order blocks, but I think gold might go up, test this order block. Yeah, but we'll have to see. But I'm thinking buying, maybe switch to lower time frame and look for order blocks where we can buy and target that upper block right there. Okay, this one I just skipped. And GBPUSD, yeah, we are pretty much closer to this block, so we'll be monitoring how the market react to this order block. So yeah guys, that's it from me, and let's meet tomorrow, and let's print some money. I'm out guys, hasta la vista.